I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're gonna be using this hair to make full wig without using a lace closure, because this hair did not come with any lace closure. So as you can see, the hair is really old because I bought it a long time ago. I can't even remember when. So I'm gonna be using my sewing machine to make this wig. I've tried every method. I've tried the hot glue method. I've tried the sewing method. I've tried the crochet method. Today, I'm going to use my sewing machine to make full wig without lace closure, lace frontal, or anything like that. Start, make sure that your marker or your eyeliner, whichever you're using, is very sharp, because it's going to play a huge part in this wig making. And we're going to take the measurement of our lace net. It's very important that you know the length and the width of the lace net that you're working with. So the length is 5 and the width is 4. That is 4x5 lace closure. I'm going to use my tape to measure the front again so I can mark where I want the middle part to be. And I didn't draw the middle part all the way to the end, because if you do that, the middle part is going to be too long. I used 4.5 out of 5. I left out some space at the back.
You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time.
Before I start installing the wig, I'm going to use my tape to measure the space I want in between the installation. This method is very useful. It's going to help prevent overlapping the hair, and it's going to give you the right space that you need in between the installation. I'm going to draw some line on the lace net and one more line beside the middle part. I'm going to repeat the same thing with the other side. So this is the finished pattern, and what you should do if you're going to be making a wig with your sewing machine without closure. Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out.
So this is the last place, which is the middle part. I've done something like this before with my needle and thread. If you haven't seen the video, you should go and check it out. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sew the hair down from the back of the weft and flip it to the front once you are done. So guys, this is the end. I'm very happy with the result. I love how the hair came out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
of time.